Alright, because she said that you did throw her on the ground and we do have witnesses that called and said that, alright, you gotta put your hands behind your back. She does not want you to go to jail. I'm gonna explain everything in a second, okay? I know, put your hands together like this. I might have to grab this. I'm gonna explain everything in a second, okay? I'm gonna explain everything in a second, right? Do you have any weapons on you? Anything that's gonna pop up? Okay. I just want to check. Yes, we'll let you do all that. I'm gonna explain everything in just a second, okay? The phone that was in there, yeah. Oh, hold on, give me a second. Just hold it over there. I have something in the back. Take a seat. Let me explain everything, okay? I'm gonna explain everything, okay? Catch your breath. I know this is tough. I know this is...
No.
I know. Listen, let me explain something, okay? She does not want to press charges, okay? But and she trust me, she was not very cooperative, and I have to explain something, okay? Because people called and said what happened, that's why we're here, right? She did say that, you know, you did throw her down. She didn't realize that meant that you would go to jail. Okay? I know. Catch your breath. Let me explain something, okay? The state attorney will reach out to her to see if she wants to cooperate. If she doesn't, the state attorney will make a decision if the case is going to go through or not.
I'm going to jail.
You are. And I'm going to explain why, okay? In Florida, with domestic violence, we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice, and the victim don't have a choice. The state becomes the victim. The state is the one that's picking up the charges. I know.
My daughter was worried.
You have been.
And you can read the text that I sent you to the hospital to leave my house. I didn't do anything.
I know. Listen. We'll let you call your daughter. Okay? You have been cooperative with me.
I was the one calling you.
I know. I'm sorry. Listen, it's not for this to happen, but unfortunately, this is where we're at, okay? And because other people witnessed it, alright?
She can do anything right now. Because she doesn't know that you're arresting me.
She doesn't know we're arresting you. We're going to have to tell her. We're going to tell her. And she's not going to be happy about it because she didn't want you to go to jail. She did not want you to go to jail. She does not want to press charges.
I didn't do anything.
Listen, from what the witnesses had said, and she didn't realize by her saying what she said.
Did you interview the witnesses on my floor?
On your floor?
Please do.
That's fine. We can do.
But that would change anything.
With the other witnesses that said
because they didn't see any fight.
Even if other people are saying no, we didn't see it, but other people called and said that they did. Other people may have saw it, and other people may not have saw what happened.
She didn't see anything. I swear. And you see, I wish that could go to her because there's no one that can see.
You are gonna be able to see your side in court. I know. And listen, I can't guarantee.
She's ruining my life. She's ruining my life. No, you see, my life ended right now. You don't understand.
Listen.
Okay, you can check my phone. I sent her a message yesterday. Asking her to leave my place.
I know.
Because I wanted my peace. Let me tell you something. I suffer from sleep apnea. She disturbed my place. I tell her don't go say.
I'm gonna put the window.
Get up there.
I know, you might have to scoot back. You don't have to sit like that. You want to sit sideways?
One of my hand is hurting me with the
handcuff.
The
scoot to the back side. I'll open that door. Like put your back that way, and I'll check on the other side. It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. Watch your foot, okay?
You all the back? Can I put them there?
I'll just throw them in the driver's the passenger.
Sure. You want me to take them to the station?
Huh?
You want me to drop them off at the station for you?
No, it was just I had put them in the back seat because there was a dive call, but then I moved it.